I think this is a group that is going to test us. We're going to have some tough games here, which is also what we need. If it's too easy, then you're not ready for the playoffs. So I look forward to being on the ball quite a bit more than we've been with League A opposition. But equally, we've got to be better defensively. We've got to believe that we're in a decent position to go for the World Cup. I realistically think if we're going to be bringing through our young players and giving them experience and opportunities, that the 4-year cycle to the next Euros is when we'll have the team. They'll still be a little young then, but in a more experienced position. But we're all in for this World Cup and looking forward to giving it everything we have. So this last camp we just had, my first friendly window, was actually a really strong camp. It was the first camp after Euros. A big tournament is always quite difficult. There's always a lot to sort of work our way through. I thought we performed decently against Australia, and I wasn't happy against Poland. Equally, I made 9 changes and gave 3 starts. That was what I wanted to achieve. So there were some big check marks coming out of the last camp, but the performance level, our minimum now, my expectation from the team is a lot higher than maybe it has been in the past. So I think we're in a good spot. We're still hoping to get some team announced soon for this upcoming window, which should set us up to be in a great position to hit the ground running for League B, which starts the beginning early next year. So I just think we've got a new year ahead of us. We've had our retirements, we've had our friendlies. So I've been able to look at a few things. I feel very confident that we'll go into that first window excited and ready to really compete.